Hello everybody, welcome to IAM Food Life. I'm very sorry today my host is not there. Actually she is not well and it was very raining outside so she cannot come. So I will host myself alone. So today I'm going to show you a very simple recipes. We're going to talk about Middle East. You know Middle East is belong to many countries, many regions. So from Middle East we will do Lebanese cuisine. So this week will be all Lebanese cuisine, which is very simple and easy that you can make it at home. So today we're going to make, it's called samak hara. Samak is fish and hara is a spicy sauce based on tomato and tomato paste. So for samak hara, here I have the ingredients which you can see. We'll use olive oil. So normally in Arabic cuisines we use olive oil, but back home you can use vegetable oil or corn oil. Okay, so I have olive oil, some garlic which I will chop for the sauce, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, chopped parsley, this onion, tomato, chili. So it is hara means chili, tomato paste, some yogurt. So it is very simple recipe. See, you can get it at home. Okay, so you can see the ingredients. So you can get it. It's normally you have in your house. So firstly we will marinate the fish. I have taken up 2 fish here. Okay, approximately the fish is 140 grams. So you can take 140 grams, 150 grams if you put a proper portions. We will add ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, little bit of olive oil, some chopped parsley, and just half teaspoon of turmeric and half teaspoon of paprika. It's a sweet paprika, it's not a chili powder. Normally in Arabic cuisines they don't eat so much of chili, so it's no chilies here. And we'll add salt to it. Add salt. So we will marinate this one and then we'll bake in the oven. So we nicely marinate. So once this is marinated, we'll put in the oven to bake it. If you don't have oven in your house, आप लोग तवा में तल सकते हैं, ठीक है, जैसे नॉर्मल फ्राई होता है. बट द ओरिजिनल रेसिपीज में बोलते हैं इसको यू हैव टू बेक इट. तो हम लोग इसको बेक करेंगे. So we will bake this one. The temperature 180 degree, just 8 to 10 minutes. By that time what is baking, I will show you how to make the sauce called hara. So let it I put for the bake. Now we will make the sauce. For the sauce you take garlic, chopped garlic, normally in Arabic cuisines, you know, there are some ingredients which is very important and they use that are the ingredients which is mostly used. First is your garlic, then lemon juice and olive oil. So same thing we will chop the onion. When you say hara means spicy, so we will use green chili. So as I told you, the Arabic people, they don't eat too much of spicy, but they know what is hara. So in the menu, whenever it is says samak hara or batata hara, batata is potato, so they know it's spicy. So nothing be confused. So we'll start to make the sauce. See, this is very simple sauce. You can make it at home. So we'll put olive oil. So as I told you, olive oil. In Arabic cuisine, mostly olive oil is used in same as in Italian cuisine. And then we'll add everything together. So once you saute it nicely, so the reason of putting chopped garlic, when you eat the fish with the sauce, you can feel the garlic in your mouth. Okay, the crunchiness of the garlic and the onions, and the ginger garlic paste we use for the marinations. See, now while sauteing, I'm getting the aromas of the olive oil and garlic and onion and chili, everything you are getting it. तो सब मिल रहा आपको, जो भी मतलब उसमें फ्लेवर्स है. So for this we need tomatoes also. Basically, it's a tomato-based sauce. So it says spicy. Since you have tomato, it will get sourness flavor. Tomato paste you have. We will add little bit of vinegar also. We will add the chopped tomato. So once the tomato is, you don't need to cook for too long. ज़्यादा नहीं पकाने का. तो टोमेटो अब जब खाएंगे सॉस के साथ, you can feel the tomatoes. We'll add थोड़ा सा lemon juice. Okay. स्पाइसेस कुछ नहीं चाहिए, थोड़ा सा paprika पाउडर, थोड़ा सा, हाफ टी स्पून paprika पाउडर. And then we will add tomato paste. Almost 5 to 6 टीस्पून ऑफ टोमेटो पेस्ट। थोड़ा सा कुक करेंगे इसको, कुक इट फॉर लिटिल बिट। Add salt to taste. Sauce is almost done, and then we will add a little bit of chopped parsley. So you see, this is the sauce ready. It's called tomato. It's called hara. It's a chili sauce. That is spices a little bit. If you want more spices, you can add chili powders. But green chili will give you a very good spiciness. So no need to add. So this is your sauce is ready, and I think by the time the fish also be ready. And now we will do the plating. So the sauce is ready and my fish also ready. So I just go and get the fish from the oven. By the time you can enjoy my ingredients. So here guys, you see the fish is already baked nicely. Okay, it's baked, so we will put the plating. So for this, we take rice. Normally it goes with rice. Okay, and then take the put the fish here. And the hara sauce. So you can have this sauce with the rice even and with the fish. So we have covered the fish with the sauce, and then add a little bit of chopped parsley. Then we add a little bit of cumin powder on top. Normally the Arabics, they love cumin powder, so there's no much problem in that. And then since this is based on tomato, we'll put some slice of tomatoes. Just put 2 slices of tomato here. Okay, and on the side, you can give them yogurt. So because I tell you, Arabics are very much fond of what you call sourness. So they love lemon juice and all. So you can have some yogurt on the side. Okay, you put a little bit of cumin powder on top, and some paprika. So this is your fish hara with white rice. So it is very much good with the white rice, because when you eat the fish, you will get sourness and spiciness. And then if you feel too much of sour, the yogurt is always there to patch you up with the food. So I hope you enjoyed it. It's a very simple recipe. Everybody can do it at home. So till then, we'll see you in my next session again on Lebanese cuisine, something different and easy. Till then, stay safe and have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.